Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's watch the video.
Question number 16. Can I see a graph of all possible locations of diagonals? The answer is yes. We can see the leading diagonals in wave 1 and A, and ending diagonals in wave 5 and C. The leading they start a cycle either 1, 2, 3, 4 or ABC cycle, and the ending they end the cycle either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or ABC cycle.
Quote number 10. Bernard Baruch said, "In trading and investing, it's not about how much you make, but rather how much you don't lose." This quote means before you make a trade, you need to understand your risk-reward ratio. Proper risk management is more important than making money. Thanks for watching, liking, and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.